Life before the solar system. Hidden history of the early universe before our solar system existed. Long before Earth or the Sun were born, the universe passed through eras filled with mystery, chaos, and unimaginable transformation. Today, we will travel back billions of years to uncover the hidden history of the early universe. A story older than the solar system itself. Intro, la cero y 40. Before our solar system existed, long before Earth or the Sun were born, the universe passed through eras filled with mystery, chaos, and unimaginable transformation. Today, we will travel back billions of years to uncover the hidden history of the early universe. A story older than the solar system itself. Segment 1, The Big Bang and First Moments, 042, 2 o'clock. 13.8 billion years ago, everything began from a single, unimaginable point. An explosion of energies, a Big Bang. Time, space, matter, and energy all burst into existence. The early universe was hotter than anything we can imagine. In the first few minutes, the first atoms formed hydrogen, helium, and lithium. These were the building blocks of stars, galaxies, and eventually, life. Segment 2. The Dark Ages of the Universe. 2 o'clock to 3:45, after 380,000 years, the universe cooled down, light faded, and darkness took over. This mysterious period is known as the Dark Ages. No stars, no galaxies, only silent clouds of hydrogen filling the endless void. But in this darkness, something incredible was happening. Invisible structures of dark matter were forming, creating the cosmic skeleton on which the future universe would grow. Segment 3, The First Stars. Population 345 to 530, around 100 to 200 million years after the Big Bang, the darkness was finally broken. The first stars ignited called population 3 stars. They were gigantic, hundreds of times larger than our sun, brilliant, extremely hot, and short-lived. When these giant stars exploded as supernova, they spread carbon, oxygen, iron, and other elements, the chemical seeds of life itself. Without these ancient stars, we could not exist. Segment 4, Early Galaxies and First Black Holes, 530 to 715. As the first generations of stars gathered together, they formed the earliest galaxies, much smaller than those we see today. At the centers of many of them, the first black holes were born. Some grew rapidly, becoming supermassive black holes that shaped the galaxies around them. Collisions, mergers, and energy storms filled the young cosmos, building the grand architecture of the universe. Segment 5, Cosmic Storms and New Elements, 715 to 830. The early universe was a violent place. Galactic clashes, intense radiation, and explosive stellar deaths. Each supernova created precious heavy elements: gold, silver, uranium, and even the iron in our blood. Every particle inside us today was forged in these cosmic furnaces. We are, quite literally, made of stardust. Segment 6, Before our Sun. The presolar cloud, 830 to 930. Billions of years passed. Then, in a distant region of the Milky Way, a giant cloud of dust and gas began to collapse. This cloud was made from the remains of ancient stars. From this cosmic dust, our sun was born. And soon after, the planets including Earth formed around it. But the story of our existence began long before this, in the ancient, hidden universe. Conclusión, las 9:30 la cero. The solar system is only one chapter in a much larger cosmic saga. Before its birth, stars lived and died, galaxies formed and collided, and black holes shaped the early universe. This forgotten era created the elements, the energy, and the cosmic environment that made our world possible. This is the true hidden history of the universe before the solar system.